Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. To remove the housing, you have to pull straight up to release the bottom tabs from their catch and the air hose disconnected. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AF5100 filter into the housing. Reinstall the frame by aligning the air hose together and then lower the housing so that the bottom tabs go into their catch. Reinstall the screws. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.